Here is a K&O Speedster kit. All I got was the hull and the deck and the hatch. I had the fittings, the motors, everything else. I decided to paint it like a red, white, and blue CHRISCRAFT racer from 3940. Just to jazz her up a little bit, because most K&O Speedsters are white, red bottom, you know, plain old deck. So we jazzed this one up. It's a nice boat. I added everything to it. Everything's new old stock. My bow light and mast I have made, and the flag, of course. The windshields I have made. Air scoops are ones I had made. Same with the ball stanchions and the dash plate. Steering wheel gets from Tin Toy Works at Heinz. There she is. Step pads are NOS. Same thing with the rudder. One of my NOS can motors. New battery boxes. That's the number of the boat, 103. Here she is forward. Bow light lights up. That's reverse. She's a nice boat. It's a nice boat. There's a lot of these kits. I have quite a few of these kits on the shelf. A couple complete ones. Anyway, I made this one in a version I like. Hopefully someone else will like it too. There's a hatch. It's a nice boat. Oop. There we go. Anyway, it'll be going on sale for eBay soon. I'll put it on the Collecting Toy Boat site. I'd rather sell it there, of course, to avoid the fees. But anyway, there she blows. Let me know. Anybody's interested. I'm going to ask $375 for this plus shipping. And that's a bargain for what it is. Anyway, you can contact me at rbojck@gmail.com. If you got a boat you need restored, send me pictures of what you need done or would like done, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again for all the kind words. Have a nice day.